Senior Marketing and Communications Officer for the Jamaica Police Cooperative Credit Union. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the first episode of the Your Credit Union and You series. We'll be discussing financial health, customer service, and managing your finances. Today, to help with that discussion, I'm joined by two of our valued members, Constables Williams and Samuels. Thank you guys for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
So tell me a little bit about yourselves.
So I'm a member of the JCF and the credit union for 2.5 years, but outside of that, I'm also a content creator where I enjoy exploring different aspects of Jamaica or culture. Yeah,
that's nice. Samuels?
Well, as introduced, I am Shani Samuels, Constable of Police. I've been a member of the JCF for approximately 8 years.
8?
And in my free time, I enjoy doing visa applications and traveling.
Visa applications. It's interesting how you say that. Can I get my visa application through you?
Sure.
How do I apply? I'm kidding. That's for another conversation. So today we're here to talk about your finances. Talk to me about how you manage your finances. What's your financial journey? Growing up in the JCF, being a part of the credit union, what has that been like?
All right, so for me, I grew up with an accountant. So, managing finances from a tender age was,
Did you have one of the small calculators and the piggy bank? That's what I want to know.
Yeah. One of the piggy bank.
The
piggy bank that was made out of the cheese tin. Yeah, I had one of those. So each year I would, pull it around Christmas time.
Mm-hmm.
But
how much money would you have saved?
Like the most I can remember, probably about 10,000 in coins. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
From early.
Yeah, so for me, lunch money was normally given out on a monthly basis. So, I would have to manage all of that. At that time, it was a lot of money for the whole month. So, yeah, coming into JCF and training and, being a part of the credit union where we have to save a certain amount each month, even after training, that became a lifestyle or a part of us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy to hear your journey started from such an early age. Constable Samuels.
Well, there was no real structure to my savings besides we throw $50 on Wednesdays at school, and whatever happened to that bank, we are not sure. But coming into the JCF, there was more structure as they offered the golden harvest, the partner plans, and that kind of gave me more balance where budgeting and investing was concerned.
Okay, I like those answers. At the credit union, we do try to understand our members' needs, so we have savings that caters to the particular stage you are in life. So when you just start out, we give you like the partner plan or the golden harvest because we know that you'd want to further your education, buy a house, or even to go back to school. So that's why we have certain products like that. Outside of your financial journey, one question I've always wanted to, kind of discuss is, how do you balance your present savings now with things that you'd want to do in the future? So let's say you want to own a house. What's the thought process behind that? Do you start saving now or do you wait until way down the line? What's your thought process on that?
All right, so what I've been doing is saving with like a compound style. So the golden harvest has been a great tool. Saving a small amount over time, it really adds up because when you look at this amount now and then saving it for 10 years, you're surprised at how much it matriculates to, and as well as the interest that you garner from that.
Okay.
Well, I take a 50-30-20 approach. So 50% of the salary is to expenses, which is unavoidable, and 20% goes to savings, and I keep back 30% for miscellaneous spending. So what I normally do is once my partner plan matures, I put it in the golden harvest and I put some in the US account. As you know, the US tends to do dancing and we want that. So that's the approach that I take.
Okay, I like how you bring up the whole dancing vibe. How do you balance the entertainment aspect of your life? So it's nice to say we save, but we like to enjoy ourselves. So how do you put that in the whole financial journey?
Well, I live a pretty simple life. As I said before, I enjoy doing visa applications and traveling. So a percentage of my money, when it matures, goes towards purchasing the plane tickets, the US, or whatever currency I need to spend when I travel. So the prospect is just to work, travel, and create a balanced lifestyle.
Alright, so for me, doing content, which can be costly sometimes, especially as a solo traveler.
As a yes.
I would often set out a 2-month plan. So this month it saves towards food and gas for the trip for next month.
Oh.
So, you know, next month now I just have like the entry fees and the miscellaneous that you might experience while on that adventure or journey.
Okay, I like it seems like on a pocket in order and it seems like on having the money under control. I'm happy that you're able to understand what your expenses are, plan for it, budget for it, and all of that, because that is what's key in managing your finances. It doesn't matter how old you are, where you are, whichever organization, that is the key to ensuring that you're financially healthy. That's what we like to call it. So as it relates to, I'm going to touch a little bit on customer service. Do you value customer service as an important aspect of where you do business?
Yes, I think customer service on a whole in Jamaica is a topic that we really need to put some emphasis in, because it's not at the level that it should be, and a lot of persons don't understand that customer service can really push or break a brand, you know. So yeah, customer service is really one of the things that I look at, especially when I'm doing business.
Okay, Ms. Amos?
So it's not because we're at the red table talk with
We're at the red table talk.
But what I like most about JPCCU is I can call and within 10 minutes an agent is online with me discussing any financial discrepancies or just giving me clarity on something. To be placed on customer service in Jamaica.
Well, that's one of the things we try to pride ourselves on. We treat our members like family. You know how close we are. So you'll have like a direct contact for someone. You'll always be able to engage with a person. Mind you, I'm not saying that we're not busy, because we are, because there's a lot of members in the JCF. But we do try our best to ensure that we meet the needs of our members. So that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on, which brings me now. What has your experience at Jamaica Police Cooperative Credit Union been like since you've joined?
For me? Again, not because we're at the red table talk. It has been phenomenal. I remember when I wanted to go back to school, because I started a degree, and I think I got lost, or it got lost, but I found it.
Okay.
And I came into branch with, I think it's Sandra is her name, Portmore branch, and I was basically explaining to her that this is my salary now, I'm paying mortgage, I don't know how I'm going to figure it out, can you help me? And she basically walked me through the entire thing. She even encouraged me to start another partner plan, a golden harvest, and I was in training when I was switching over from DC to regular, and I got a call, hey, your plan mature. I'm like, what plan? They just say, yeah, your loan is finished and your plan matured. And I was at a low in training, so that money just came right in time.
Right in time.
All right, so for me, the credit union has been a backbone in my financial journey. Like most of my, what I would classify as big achievements have been through the credit union. You know, I was able to save towards the deposit for my car, as well as secure a loan that was 100% covered by the credit union. So, you know, it also helps me to save for emergencies, because, you know, having an emergency fund is really important. Believe me, I've seen it.
The KFC money?
It's not no KFC money.
Yes, so I'm always grateful, and it has been a great journey so far.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that you guys are pleased. I can keep my work. One final thing is that what's the message that you would give to your fellow members in the JCF, whether they are part of the credit union or not? What's that one piece of financial advice that you would give to them?
Can I go first?
Of course, take it.
You see that 90 day of January? Ensure.
The what? Say it again.
The 90 days of January.
January has 30 days.
No, it's 90, believe me.
Oh.
Believe me.
Okay, I'm believing.
40 days and 50 nights.
40 days and 50 nights of
Yes.
January. What happened to it?
Ensure that you have either a Christmas plan saved or a partner plan, because you don't want January to come and you look and your account is empty. Believe me, it's not a good look. Not a good look.
I don't think you can top that, Chinese, can you?
I can't, but I'll tell you, maximize on all your loans. The interest rates are phenomenal. They're actually the best in town, so capitalize on that.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us today. It was our pleasure having you. We love to hear from our members and we look forward to another episode in this series. So thank you guys. That's a wrap on the first episode of the Your Credit Union and You series. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.